Fix YouTube lagging on Mac 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If YouTube has been lagging, stuttering, or just running terribly on your Mac in 2026, you are in the right place. This is one of the most common complaints Mac users have, and the good news is there are some really effective fixes. Let me walk you through them right now. Fix 1. Clear your browser cache. The first and easiest fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, your browser builds up a massive amount of cache data that slows everything down, including video playback. In Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files is checked and hit Clear Data. In Safari, go to Develop menu and click Empty Caches. Reload YouTube and see if the lag is gone. Fix 2. Disable hardware acceleration. This one surprises a lot of people, but hardware acceleration can actually cause more problems than it solves on certain Mac configurations. In Chrome, go to Settings, scroll down to System and toggle off Use hardware acceleration when available. Relaunch Chrome and test YouTube again. A lot of Mac users find this single fix completely eliminates stuttering and lag. Fix 3. Update your browser. Running an outdated browser is one of the most overlooked causes of YouTube lag. Open Chrome or Safari and make sure you are on the latest version. In Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome, and it will check for updates automatically. For Safari, updates come through your Mac system update, so go to System Settings and check for any pending software updates. Fix 4. Lower the video quality. If YouTube is lagging specifically during video playback, your internet connection or browser may be struggling to handle high-resolution streams. Click the gear icon on any YouTube video, go to Quality, and drop it down from 1080p or 4K to 720p or lower. If the lag disappears immediately, you know the issue is either your connection speed or your browser struggling with high-resolution decoding. Fix 5. Free up system resources. YouTube lag on Mac is often caused by the system being overwhelmed rather than YouTube itself. Open Activity Monitor by searching for it in Spotlight. Check the CPU and memory tabs and look for any apps eating up a huge amount of resources. Close anything you don't need. Too many open browser tabs, background apps, or heavy processes running alongside YouTube can all cause playback issues. Fix 6. Try a different browser. If you have been using Chrome, try switching to Safari or Firefox and vice versa. Safari in particular is optimized specifically for Mac hardware and often handles YouTube video playback more efficiently than Chrome on macOS. Give it a try and see if the lag disappears on a different browser. And those are all the fixes for YouTube lagging on Mac in 2026.